Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddedDad.com, and today's video I'm going to give you a quick review of the adjustable foldable bench that you see here on my garage gym wall. Now, the first time I started looking around for a bench, I wanted something that was sturdy, something that wasn't too heavy, and something that wasn't going to take up a lot of space, and this is the winner. Now, a few things about this bench. This bench only weighs 45 pounds, so I'm able to hang it on two hooks here on the wall, but at the same time it has a capacity to hold 500 pounds, so it's a very sturdy bench. Now it has two wheels here on the top, so you can easily roll it on the floor. You don't have to carry it around or move it around from side to side. You can just roll it. And the padding here is 2 inches thick. Now from top all the way to the bottom, when it's folded, it's only 57 inches long. And then from the wall all the way up to its highest point, right around here, it only sticks out 9 inches from the wall. So it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, one thing that I like about this bench is that it has 7 different positions where you can adjust it. You can go from incline to flat and several different degrees of incline, so you can do a variety of exercises just like any regular bench. Now, this frame, the frame comes with a 10-year warranty, and anything else has a 1-year warranty on it. As you can see, it doesn't take up a lot of room from the wall. It takes up 9 inches from the wall at its highest point. And if I look at the top here, we have some wheels. This makes it easy to roll on the ground. It's being held up by 2 hooks there. Only weighs about 45 pounds. Over here we have a pin. This locks it in place. If I pull it out, it unlocks it. The padding here is about 2 inches thick. And if I keep going down, we see the folded leg. And then over here there's another pin that locks it in place so that you're able to unfold and fold the legs. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to unfold the bench, set it in place, and then fold it back into its position and lock it in place. So over here at the front we have some wheels, and it's very easy for me to just stand this up and move it from one place to another without having to actually pick up the bench. You can just roll it because of the wheels at the front. Now over here we have a pin that unlocks this side of the bench. See, if I try to pull this up, it'll bring the whole bench with me. So what I have to do is unlock this, and now I can unlock this and then set it to any desired position. So I'm going to set it here to the neutral position, and then we come over to this end. Same thing on this side. I have a pin here that unlocks this end. So what I have to do is pull it and at the same time lift up, and now that leg is locked in place. And now we can move this in all different positions. All I have to do is just lift this, and I can set it to whatever angle I want to set the bench, whether it's a decline, a flat, or different angles of incline, as you can see right there. Now I'm going to do the opposite. Very simple. I set it all the way down to the last one. Now I have to pull this back to lock it back in place. And then in order to fold this up, I have to pull the pin out and then fold it in place. And as you can see, it's back to its original shape. And then look at this. It's all locked in place, so the legs aren't going to move around. That simple. There you have it, guys. Just a quick review of the adjustable foldable bench that I have here in my garage gym. If you like the information in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me your comments and questions down below. And if you want more information about the bench, I'll leave a link right below this video so you can check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.